Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change email address on Bitfinex. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top of the screen, we have the traders, lenders, the about and more. We have the sign out and return to platform. Also in the middle of the screen, we have the start trading button, which you can click on. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change email address on Bitfinex. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So to change your email address on Bitfinex, follow these 3 steps. First of all, you need to go and log into your account. As I already told you, you just need to go and log into your account. Then step 2 is to navigate to the support section. Scroll to the bottom of the main page and click on Contact Us under the support category. After that, step 3 is to submit a request. Fill in the required information on the support page to request assistance with changing your email address. If you encounter any issues, the Bitfinex support team should of course be able to guide you through the process. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.